Hey guys, this is Abhi and welcome to my channel Abhi Blog. How are you friends? I hope all good. Guys, first of all, I wish you all of you a happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Guys, today we celebrate Chorchan Puja. Yes guys, we celebrate Chorchan Puja. This is so famous festival in Bihar, especially Mithilanchal zone, Darbhanga, Madhubani side. This festival is mainly celebrated in Mithilanchal zone, in Darbhanga or Madhubani. Guys, uh, that's why I thought I should make a video for that because the people only know about Dasara, Diwali, and Holi or many festival that the famous festival that the people know, but that kind of puja is many people a part of Bihar especially don't know about too much that. So I thought I should make a video in Chorchan Puja. Guys, basically this festival is quite similar to Chhath Puja, but in Chhath Puja we worship a Surya Devta, and in this puja we worship a Chandra Devta and Ganesh Ji also. So guys, today I will give you all the view regarding this puja. So guys, just stay with me. You got a all view and I totally hope you totally enjoy this video. So guys, just stay with me. Thank you so much.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, good evening. This is Abhi. Now guys, we just came on the roof because this is the puja is held on some open space and on the roof. So guys, because from where you can see a proper way a moon, I mean Chandradev. So guys, I would like to watch something that we use in prasad in Chorchan Puja. So you can see. So you can see guys, many kind of prasad are kept here, just like banana, fruits like corn, purukia, nariyal, or many things that kept here. You can sweets also, and you see just here a curd. This is the most important things that use in Chorchan Puja. This is the most important things, and I mentioned earlier, this is the quite similar to Chhath Puja. That's why all the prasad are used the same way in this puja. She is my Nanima. She is doing a puja. So guys, just stay with me till the end. I will give you all the view, all the suit that we do the related the puja. I hope you enjoyed this video a lot. He is my younger brother, Mr. Ans. All the family member come to just celebrate this festival, guys, because this is the impact of any particular festival. The people come together and enjoy a lot. Guys, in that time we are waiting for Chandradev, that who come in the sky, but I don't think today he came. Because this is the nature of God or human. Whenever they need, they don't appear. You can see, we can't see a Chandradev. Because this is the rainy time, that's why almost the black clouds in the sky, that's why the Chandradev is covered. That's why we can't see them. But anyways, wait. Bhushanam. Now my Nanima doing a puja start right now. This is the method of puja. We offer all the prasad to Chandradev. All the prasad here, just like curd, I mean dahi. You can see. Guys, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel.
घ्यायचं
नाही आपल्याला कमी नाही दर्शन दे बरं द्यायचं
Guys, this is the process arg that we do in Chhat Puja. This is the arg.
चंद्रमा के
This is the Chandradev arg.
काटना बाव पता चल कहाँ देखे नहीं जाए जो तू सब हम दूसरा को
Yeah, one by one. Now, guys, you just see one by one all the family member came and give a arg to moon. I mean Chandradev. You can see all of came here. Just take some prasad, bro. Just take some prasad.
मकई फल छै मकई एक चाची जी के हां किछो देखो बलून को नारियल ला ला संजी तू नारियल ला
Now it's my turn.
क्या रे तो Cặp sâu cái đấy huyệt đấy.
So guys, I hope you enjoy this video, and I try to all the things.
Hello.
So guys, it's time to end this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you enjoy this video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel, and please press the bell icon. Whenever I upload a new video, you don't miss it. Thank you so much, guys.